Basic personal protective equipment. They are always present on board a ship. 1. Protective clothing.
Protective clothing is a coverall which protect the body of the crew member from hazard substance like hot oil, water, and welding spark.
2. Helmet.
Helmet. The most important part of the human body is the head. It needs utmost protection, which is provided by a hard plastic helmet on the ship. A chain strap is also provided with a helmet, which grips the helmet on place when there is a trip or fall.
3. Safety shoes.
Safety shoes. Maximum of the internal space of the ship is utilized by cargo and machinery, which is made of hard metal and which make it clumsy for crew to walk around safety.
4. Safety hand gloves.
Safety hand gloves. Type of hand gloves are provided on board ship. All these are used in operation wherein it becomes imperative to protect one's hands. Some of the gloves are provided that are heat-resistant gloves to work on hot surface. Cotton gloves for normal operation, welding gloves, and chemical gloves.
5. Goggles.
Goggle eyes are the most sensitive part of the human body and in daily operation on ship changes are very high for having an eye injury. Protective glass or goggles are used for eye protection. Various welding goggles are useful welding operation, which protects the eyes from high and sensitive spark.
6. Earmuff or earplug.
Air muff or air plug. Engine room of the ship produce 110 to 100 dB of sound, which is very high for human ears. Every few minutes of exposure can lead to headache, irritation, and sometimes partial or full hearing loss.
The proper procedure to how prepare the workplace starting electric arc welding. 1. Safety. The first and most important thing to consider while using any sort of welder is safety. 2. Clean your metal. Although FCAW is known for being a process that can get away with welding dirty metal, it is still important to clean the area of the metal you plan on welding. This is generally done with some sort of wire brush, grinder, or even better, a grinder with a wire wheel. 3. Cut your metal. An accurate cut starts with an accurate scribe or mark on the workpiece. This is generally done with a soapstone or felt-tipped pen and a ruler with a straight edge. 4. Tack weld the workpiece. After you've got everything lined up correctly and set your welder to the appropriate settings, tack the corners of your workpiece together. When tack welding, it is important to make sure that you are actually fusing both sides of the metal together. 5. Fill in the remaining areas with bead welds. Assuming that you tacked everything together correctly, you can now go back and fill in the remaining seams with bead welds. This is where you will really get to hone in your welding skills. So pay close attention to how your torch angle, travel speed, and electrical stick out affect the appearance of your welds. Thanks for watching.